Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet. First of all, open Google Chrome on your device. Then, click on the search bar, type MoonPay, and press enter. After that, click on the first link that appears on your screen. Next, sign up for an account. I have already signed up. After signing up, click on the wallet option in the menu on the left-hand side. Find and select Bitcoin BTC from the list of assets. Next, click on the Send button. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Then, enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. Carefully review the transaction details. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to send the Bitcoin. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.